A wild animal is an animal that is, well, wild. This means that it isn't tame and it lives on its own without any help from people. A wild animal finds its own food, shelter, water and all its other needs in a specific natural habitat. Here are the list of 30 wild animals with pictures.
Lion, tiger, leopard, lynx, brown bear, hyena, hog, badger, porcupine, polecat, weasel, marten, wolf, jackal, fox, hare, wild ass, wild sheep, gazelle, giraffe, chimpanzee, chipmunk, camel, elephant, kangaroo, hippopotamus, wombat, meerkat, otter, opossum, raccoon.